If you've been looking for how to get a Hostinger refund, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to request a refund in Hostinger so you can do it quickly and avoid missing anything important. This is especially helpful if you recently made a purchase, changed your mind, or need to check whether your invoice is eligible for a refund. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Make sure you're using the same account that was used to make the purchase, because the refund option will only appear for the correct billing profile. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the billing section. From there, click on billing, then select payment history. This is where Hostinger stores your invoices and past transactions. Now you'll see a list of your purchases. Find the specific purchase or invoice that you want to request a refund for. If you have multiple orders, take a moment to make sure you click the correct one, because this step is important and it helps you avoid submitting a refund request for the wrong item. After you open the invoice, look for the refund option. If the refund button is visible, that means Hostinger is allowing a refund request for that purchase. Click refund to continue. If you don't see the option right away, it may mean the purchase is not eligible, or it may be outside the refund window depending on the product or service you bought. Next, Hostinger will ask you to choose your refund method. Usually you'll see options like returning the money to your original payment method or adding it to your Hostinger balance. Choose the option that works best for you. If you want the money sent back to your card, PayPal, or other original payment source, select original payment. If you prefer to keep the amount as account credit, choose balance. Once you've selected your refund method, review everything carefully. Double-check the invoice, the amount, and the refund option you picked. This helps make sure your request goes through correctly. When you're ready, confirm the request and then click Submit. After that, Hostinger will process your refund request. In some cases, it may be approved automatically, and in other cases, you may need to wait for confirmation from their support team. The processing time can vary depending on your payment method and refund type, so keep an eye on your email and your Hostinger account for updates. And that's it. You've now learned how to get a Hostinger refund by going into billing, opening payment history, selecting your invoice, clicking refund, choosing your refund method, and submitting the request. It's a simple process once you know where to look. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.